So one of the things that I've been facing is there's been a clunking noise in the front, whenever I made a left turn, most likely a sharp left turn. Doesn't matter what speed, it would have a clunking sound. The mechanics inspected the control arms and showed me that the bushings were destroyed pretty much, pretty worn. So we're gonna get that done. And right now another situation happened while I'm actually doing everything at once. My rack and pinion started leaking, so now I am going to get that replaced on the B6, and I love my B6. So that is what's going to happen. I'm gonna get that replaced. While that's being replaced, get the front end control arms all replaced, and then do one time an alignment. So instead of doing them one by one, just do it all at once. Yeah, it's gonna cost me a pretty penny, but at least it will get done. I won't have to worry about it anymore. So, alright, I ordered the full front end kit that comes with these sway links, and I'm gonna go drop the car off at the mechanic because I don't have the equipment to handle this kind of job, and I want it to be done professionally, or somebody who does this for a living. So here we go. Got that ECS touch. I'm showing love to my B6. It has been running for a long time. We've gone through a lot, from side swipes in and parking lot damages to losing front grills. Yeah, loving my B6 always. So here we go. Let's go drop her off.